How to fix can't join Roblox games. So first, what you want to do is just close out your Roblox or your Roblox software on your PC if you're using it. So close it off and also close off the website. Don't forget to close it up. Then just reopen Roblox or the website. So I'm just gonna reopen the website right here. I'm just gonna search for Roblox, of course, roblox.com, and just go to Endgame and try to open it up and see if it works. The next thing that you want to do, if it still doesn't work, is just use a different browser. So I'm currently using a Brave browser, just like this. So what you want to do is just try to open up a different browser. So I'm just gonna use Microsoft Edge, let's say, for example. And now when I have Microsoft Edge right here, you can just search for roblox.com and see if it works for you. And if it still doesn't work, you might need to restart your computer. And to do that, you just need to tap on the Windows menu right here or click on it. Then here, there's a power option right there. Just simply click on that and just click on restart. So it will just restart your computer and wait for it to open. And once your computer opens up again, just need to open up your browser or your Roblox app and simply open up any game and check if it works. And lastly, if it still doesn't work, what you may need to do is reinstall Roblox. First, to do that is just go to your Windows menu again right here and search for Roblox. And as you can see, Roblox pops up just like so, and just click on uninstall right there. Then this page will pop up and just find the Roblox app here on the list. So I have mine right here, Roblox player. Tap on the three dots or click on the three dots right there. Then click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again. Wait for it to load. Once that's uninstalled, you need to open up your browser or your Roblox browser once again. Once it's opened up my browser, I'm just gonna search for roblox.com and just click on any game that you want and click on the play button. Wait for it to load. Roblox is now loading. Get ready, and this should pop up. So you just simply click on download and install Roblox. Wait for this to pop up or wait for it to prompt you to download it, and just click on save. Wait for the file to download. As you can see, it's already downloaded on the top right here. I'll just simply click on that. Wait for it to install. The install time may vary depending on your PC or internet. Just wait for it, and as you can see, I have now my Roblox right here. And let's try to join a game. So just go to any game right here. So I'll try this one, and I'll try to join the game. And as you can see, it now loads to the game. And that's how you basically fix can't join games in Roblox.